Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Lipstick Amore. My name is Jyoti, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. What we have today for you guys is Colourpop's So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss Mini Kit. So these lip glosses are mini and there's 4 of them. They said that there are 2 new shades and 2 old shades. So we're gonna go through each one by one, except for the clear one because, you know, the clear one is clear. So this mini kit is $15 and I just feel like it makes a perfect, cute little gift for somebody who really enjoys lip glosses.
Now I did do some swatches here for you guys and I noticed a very small grain of glitter, but nothing too much. I've also done wear test on these and they're pretty long lasting.
I can still feel the lip gloss on my lips after 5-hour wear. Now do keep in mind that these are plumping lip glosses, which means that there's that very minty menthol type feeling on your lips when you apply it. So you get that tingly feeling on your lips, and that tingly feeling does last a while. The tingliness is not incredibly uncomfortable. It is a very refreshing feeling on your lips. Now some lip glosses can be really, really uncomfortable. I do remember I had this Soap and Glory lip gloss. I had to take it off. That's how uncomfortable the tingliness was. But this is a very refreshing feeling on your lips. And the lip gloss is not too glossy. I am wearing one right now, and nor is it too sticky. So when you purse your lips, you don't see an immense amount of sticky stuff in between your lips, as you can see. And it's also not super glossy in the sense that it might just come off as soon as you eat. So when I did my wear test, I was eating and drinking coffee. So it is a very long-lasting, long-wearing lip gloss. So let's check out the shades. First up is this one. It's called She's Here. This one is a little bit of a brownish tint. But like most lip glosses that I've noticed for Colourpop and e.l.f., they look like there's a lot of color in them, but when you actually apply them on your lips, they are a very subtle hint of color on your lips when you actually apply them. All right, let's go ahead and apply this. Let's see how brown it comes out. There we go. And they also really smell good. It's not a strong chemically smell, it's just a really nice scent. I do dab it off a little bit with my finger because I don't like it to feel too goopy. So even after dabbing it off, it's still a long wearing lip gloss. There you have it. This is the She's Here shade in the mini kit. Now it does depend what color lips you have, what color skin you have. Certain shades are gonna pop more on you than others. So on me, this one is giving a nice subtle hint of color. Nothing too dramatic, which I don't expect for any of them. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is a little bit more pinkish, this one right here. And this is the shade Small Talk. So when you look at these two side by side, you can definitely see this is a little bit more brownish, and this looks pretty dark in here. But we'll see how it looks on my lips. Yeah, it's a different color. And there you have it, Small Talk. So it does look a little bit more pinkish compared to the other one. Let's look at the last one. The last one that I would like to show you guys is the Hype. So this is a little bit peachy. So we have the brown one here, She's Here. That's what it's called, She's Here. The Small Talk, which is the pink one. And then lastly, we have the Hype, which is a little bit of this peachy one right here. They look so cute together. All right, let's go ahead and apply, what is it called again? The Hype. And there it is, the Hype. So to me it still looks pinkish. It doesn't really look like this. If I put it right next to my lips look still look more pinkish. So I feel like in reality my lips are more pinkish. So even if I apply this peachy shade on top of it, because it's so light that the pink still comes through the shade. So it's not gonna look like this on my lips, but this is what it looks like on my lips. They smell good, they also taste good, and they're very refreshing feeling on your lips. And the last one is just this clear one. I mean, a clear one is good to apply over any of your lipsticks. I love to combine lip glosses with liquid lipsticks because liquid lipsticks are super dry and lip glosses provide a nice gloss on top of the liquid lipsticks. These are the lip glosses in the mini kit, $15. Really cute gift for someone. I think they're adorable. You could also get it for yourself. And they're mini, so you know you can actually use them up, whereas I feel like full-size glosses sometimes take a long time to finish up. That's it for today. I hope the mini lip gloss kit review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, click like and leave me some comments, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.